The major figures at the school, well, the key figure was the architect and founder, Walter Gropius. He invited some of the period's most important modern artists to join the faculty. These primarily male figures have gotten a lot of attention, and we really want to look at some of the lesser-known artists who are maybe underappreciated. People like the weaver Otti Berger, whose archive we have at the Busch Reisinger Museum, Lucia Moholy, we have a vast collection of her photographs, and the Black Mountain College artist Ruth Azawa. We'd like to foreground their work and underscore the contributions of women artists in general. The weaving workshop brought new prominence to the field of weaving, and it was a place where a lot of artists were experimenting with new materials like cellophane. It was really a workshop that allowed the artistic and the craft side of the Bauhaus to really come together. Annie Albers is one of the people who runs through the whole exhibition. We're very fortunate to be able to show work that she produced at the Bauhaus as a student, at Black Mountain College, where she established the weaving workshop, and then finally some of her textiles that were commissioned by Gropius for the Harvard Graduate Center. Because the textiles are light sensitive, we can't always have them displayed in the permanent collection galleries, so this exhibition is a wonderful opportunity for us to show things like Günther Stützel's really spectacular tapestry from 1923. I'm also very excited about the Lucia Moholy photographs, which were very skillfully composed and constructed. She's a figure that's under-recognized, and we want to include a lot of that material.